Today I've got something, mini brands, but before I show you what I've got and unbox it, make sure to subscribe to my channel and drop a like on this video if you haven't already. So, I know I've already done toy mini brands on my channel before, but I recently found this out. There are new ones. There are a whole bunch of new things you can get inside the toy mini brands, a whole bunch of new toys. So let's bust this baby open. Man, I can't believe it. I hope I get some new stuff and don't get any duplicates because I don't like duplicates at all. Not my favorite thing to get. Mini brands is like an opening LOLs, but a million times harder. Just gonna drop the trash on the floor so you can have a nice workspace. I hate the clear layer. Actually, the clear layer isn't so bad, but the bad layer is the front one. Are you ready to open the orange? Woo! Okay, let's just pull them apart. Okay, so this one fell off first. It's open. It's open already, look. Is this a scam? Let's just open it. I got a new thing. I got a micro fast fill X shot little toy gun. Super cool. Can you see it? That is adorable. Gun. Next, this one's about to burst open. I'm gonna save it for last. Wait, this one's open? Oh yeah, it's open because I just opened it. Okay, we'll do this one. Did any of you guys used to do this where you just push your fingers through? I used to, but now you can't because it doesn't really work. What is this? A hacky sack? Go out and play. What? What's a hacky sack? Apparently you hit it with your feet. What? Okay. It's like hitting it with his foot in the air. I'm pretty sure that's new because I haven't heard or seen that before. It literally, oh my god, the tear strip thing broke. Oh my god! I got a JoJo doll, and what's funny is I actually have this doll. Like the big version. I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. I got a JoJo doll! Oh my god. Ah! And I got a JoJo bow last time I opened these toy mini brands. On to the next one. Ooh! So far, I'm just gonna put that out there right now. All the ones I've gotten so far are brand new. Ooh, we got, I think, a metallic fingerling. Ooh, so shiny. It's a pink fingerling. See the back. Pretty cool. It actually has a little barcode. I have a feeling this one might be... It's a duplicate, yeah. So I already have a chipper. Little robot dog. I already have it. I mean... Wait, it might be different colors. Maybe. Maybe, just maybe. I don't know if there's different colored ones. Let's check the checklist. Gold SpongeBob. I want Chucky from Rugrats. So yeah, I got a metallic rare, which is super cool. I didn't get any other rares. Yeah, so there's only one chipper. So, yeah. I want a SpongeBob. I already have a SpongeBob, but it's like the boxes. They have Baby Shark and those RoboFish. I want the flamingo that like says, like the gotta go flamingo. It's like, gotta go. Gotta go. If you guys know what I'm talking about, I don't know. If you might know, I really want that flamingo or the Robo Alive fish. That, I have a feeling this is gonna be really lucky because we got a perfect tear. Oh, it still, matter if you get a perfect tear, it still doesn't do what you want it to do. So far I got one duplicate and all brand new ones. One duplicate and 4 brand new ones. I'm trying to find the tear strip. I'm like stalling. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on, please. Please. Please be new ones. Okay. I like to just tear them apart. Anything new. Okay, this one's open. Look, it's literally. Ow! Dora. Is this supposed to be a Dora plushie? I see a checklist on the ground. When we get it, I'll see, or is she supposed to have a package? I think it's a Dora plushie. If you guys don't know, the shows I used to watch, like when I was little, I used to watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I watched Dora, Doc McStuffins. Like, those are my go-tos. So I'm really happy I got Dora. I already have this glue, but there's a really good possibility that it could be glow in the dark. Really good possibility. Let's hope it is, because I have that glue and it's not glow in the dark. What is that? What is this? What? Oh? Huh? Sparkle Girls Barbie? Well, I don't have it. It's cool, but I just don't know. It's like, oh. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. It's a little, like, a Barbie doll looking thing. Oh, we got 2 more. We'll do this one. So far, I haven't gotten a part, a shell, for nothing. We got a Robo Alive snake. It's a snake. It's a snake. This reminds me of a TikToker goes, I'm a snake. I'm a snake. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. It's like you could. Yeah, so. Wait. So this little toy gun that I got and this glue could possibly be glow in the dark, which would honestly be very cool. Oh, that's my last one. Maybe I want to slip and slide. Oh yeah, that door is just like a plushie, because on the checklist it doesn't show packaging. Oh, please be something good. You guys get first peek. What is it? Is this something good? Oh yay, it's a new thing. We got a Blaze Ready Roll monster truck, whatever. But we didn't get Blaze, we got Crusher. Here it is. It's very tiny. So with this, you could get like every car that's there. I kind of wish I got Blaze. It's fine. see the little monster truck? And then here are the 4 that you can get. See right there? Which is pretty good. Okay. 2 duplicates. This might not be though, if it's glow in the dark. And then all of these are brand new. I'm still kind of confused on this wacky sack. Hacky sack. It's not a wacky sack. It's a hacky sack. I've been saying that wrong the whole time. I'm kind of still confused on this. Like, I don't know what it is. I hate to do this, but these look like the Barbies that you get from Dollar Tree. Literally. I mean, I've seen them at Target too, but like, they're in that thing and they're just like standing up. It kind of looks like ice cream cones. It's pretty cool. But, yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like and subscribe if you have not already. And comment down below which toy out of all the ones I've got is your favorite. Let me know. Mine is probably gonna be, it's hard. The Dora plushie, because I love Dora. Also, peep the nails. I got some nail stickers in there. Let's put it on with some glitter. I know I'm all like this. Bye!